mix, mix.
Pot.
It's a cooking pot, frying pan. Karahay. In. Over here. Okay, let's mix together. Oh, together. Okay. Wow, 수고있네. 오이시네. yum이네. Yummy. Egg. Mixing. Tomatoes. Tomatoes. Yum? Is it yummy? Ing na lami kaayo. Sarachan, lami kaayo. Yummy? Ing na lami. Si masarap. Si good morning, good morning, good morning. Bangon, bangon, bangon ang aking girls. Kay buntag na. Pamangon na mo. Nom, 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 nom. Oh, is it salty? Oh no, it's salty man. Did you put a lot of salt? I want to eat broccoli. Over there? Oh, broccoli. I want to eat sausage. Oh, very good. Nom, 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 nom. Oh, mix, mix, mix. Nom, 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 nom. Yummy. Yay! Oh, is it salty? Oh no. Oh. Ito yung nabili ko sa Daiso, mga kigwahers. 100 yen. Super cute siya, mga kigwahers. Yes. You cannot talk. Hi. Dosa. Ngayon is magpapa-activity ako ng Sara, mga kigwahers. So, ito yung book na gagamitin ko. Actually, ano to, lalagyan ng mga stickers, any kind of stickers. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga stickers. Sobrang cute, diba? Bili ko lang to doon sa Amazon. Ayan. So, ayan. Very long time na to siya. So, ipapakita ko to kang Sara. Stickers. Colorful to siya. May green. Tingnan nyo. So, ayan. Ito yung aking ipapasticker ni Sara. Very colorful to siya. Very good to sa baby nyo, mga kigwahers. Ayan. Diba? Klase-klaseng kulay na mapagpipilian. Good din to sa learning ng baby kasi iba-iba yung kulay eh. Malalaman niya yung mga colors. Ayan. Yung shapes. Tapos, ganituhin lang, mga kigwahers, oh. Ayan, may nakalagay kung paano lalagyan. It depends on your baby. Pero ito yung sample kung paano gagawin yung mga stickers. Ayan, so ito na yon. So ito yung ganap ko. Tapos maglilinis pa ako after ko na magpapa-activity ni Sara. So natapos na kami mag-playtime ni Sara. So ngayon is magpapa-activity ako sa kanya. Maka-learn siya ba? May kaunting learning siya everyday. Yun lang, share ko lang. Si Sara is nag-play ng kanya mga laruan dito. Pasensya sa kalat kasi kahit na tinatidy ko, kunin niya. Ayan. Kasi everyday siya naglalaro, di ba? So ngayon, open please, Mama. Do you like it? What color? Red. Very good. Okay, you can paste here, baby. The fish, mite. So ito yun.
Baby. Mommy. Mommy. Black. Black.
Is it black? Let me see. Ah, yeah, it's color black. Very good.
Oh, purple.
Is it purple? Ah, yeah.
One. Egg.
And
Two.
so, ito. So, ayan, idikit mo lang kahit saan, mga kigwahers.
Three. Wow.
Ganito yun lang. Maganda to sa baby natin, mga kigwahers. Ayan. Good learning to siya. Merong black, green. Hi, doso. Thank you. Ha, これは何?
Yellow.
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 Wow. Oh, how about this?
Orange.
Orange. Oh, how about this?
Color.
What?
Red.
Very good. How about this?
Purple.
Purple. Very good. How about this?
Black.
Black. Very good. Oh, how about this?
The blue.
Blue. Very good, baby.
It's the blue.
How about this? これは
Yellow.
Yellow. Very good. So, yellow, black, red, blue, purple, orange. 6 lang na color to mga tigwahers. O, diba? Maganda. Tapos, mura lang to. Set na to siya. Pag magbili ka nito, set na. Doon sa Amazon namin binili. Maganda to sa learning ng baby. Yan. Kailangan talaga, everyday is may pagkakaabalhan yung baby para at the same time, hindi tayo ma-stress mga mom out there.
Here. Black.
Oh, there's another one. What color?
Brown.
Brown. Very good. 7 pala yung colors nito. Ay, kasi kapag walang maabalahan yung baby, parati na lang nagtitv, diba? So, hindi yun maganda. As a mom, diba? Marami tayong ginagawa sa bahay. Maglilinis, magluluto, manglalaba, mag-aasikaso ng baby natin. O, diba? Kaya, kakayanin natin to mga kigwahers. So, let's start with the color purple. Okay? Purple. Paste here. How about the eyes of the fish? Shall we put purple? Purple eye.
Yeah.
Tadan! Can you do it? Oh no!
Purple.
It's purple. So, yung video natin is, andito lang kami sa bahay, nag-a-activity, nagpi-play ng baby ko. Oh, you paste here. Nilagay niya sa bed, sa futon.
Yep.
Here, Kochi. Kochi, please. Nilagay niya sa kanyang finger.
Okay. Fingers.
Fingers, very good.
Count. 1, 2, 3. Out.
Oh, over there. Oh, Kochi. Oh no, where is it? Napilit siyang kamot. Dere, baby. You want to return? Binalik niya dyan.
Guys.
Very good. Good try. Dere, ibutang. Okay, I will show you, okay? Mama will show you. Korewa, mite? Chadan! Yay! Doshita?
Ouch.
Ouchie? Oh!
Ouchie.
Is it ouchie?
Ouch.
Ouch! Oh my goodness! Be careful!
2, 8.
And?
No. No.
No. Oh, sorry.
Daddy.
Sorry. Oops, sorry. Wow. Very cute.
Was it dog?
What the sound?
Dog.
Is it a dog?
Woohoo.
Hoof, hoof.
Look.
If you're happy and you know you
Take it out. Ouch.
out. Next time naman to niya gagamitin. So, dito lang ito. Ayan. So, ito is nakukyutan talaga ako. Ang ganda, di ba? Bigay to sa aking brother-in-law last New Year.
You got it.
You got it.
You got it. Look at this.
It's color black.
Woo. The pictures.
It's on your fingers. Purple. Purple color.
Thank you.
Thank you. Mita?
What is that?
What inside?
Brown.
Brown, you sure?
No. Black.
Marami pa tong paglalagyan ng sticker. O, tingnan nyo mga kigwars. Ayan. Sobrang dami pa to. Andoon sa cabinet. Maganda, di ba? May ladybug.
Pop.
So, paisnakin ko muna siya ng strawberry. Ayan. Tabero. Ay, very good. Kasi kayo na. Very good. It's a dog sound. Hurf, hurf. What is the sound of a monkey? Oo, So, ayan. Nilagay niya sa kanyang mga fingers yung mga sticker. Oh, you combine together.
4. 2 big fingers.
5 little fingers.
5 big fingers.
Very good. 5 little fingers.
How about count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Very good.
5 fingers.
5 little fingers, ne? The house.
This is
Fingers. Sticker finger, sticker finger.
Where are you?
Here I am, here I am.
How to do?
Tingnan nyo. Color green na naman yung nilagay niya sa kanyang fingers. Before ako mag-end sa aking video, magpapasalamat ako ng sobrang pasasalamat ko sa inyo na wala kayong sawang sumusuporta sa akin. Thank you so much. Sa wala pa nakasubscribe, please do subscribe. Hit notification bell para updated kayo sa aking next video na i-upload. Have a nice day. See you on our next vlog. Bye! Mwah!